Uh-oh, what's it got no nose? Uh-oh, what kicked in my nose?
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming to be another wig review in the description bar down below. So with this unit, it's a little tad bit tight, but not uncomfortable tight. So it's kind of big head friendly, kind of not. You still could pull it off maybe. But yeah, so with this unit, when I did put it on, it's not lace to lace, like ear to ear. You can cut lace, you do all the fancy baby hair, you just do one swoop in the front. So that's what I did. And I used this, to the curling wand to press down the unit so it can be more flat. And then I used the wax stick and also my Wrap Me foaming mousse also on the top of my hair. And I did comb out some of the curls, my paddle brush, my wig brush. But other than that, it's a 16-inch unit, and it's pretty. I mean, I love this pattern. I like how it's short like that. It's very pretty. I love this unit. I just tucked this behind my ear just because it was out. This will look like when it's out like that. It's still pretty. It's a very pretty unit. But I'll link everything below in the description bar. But other than that, I'll see you in my next video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. So the beauties, let's get into this video. So this is it's a Brazilian virgin hair, and it's a 16-inch human hair wig. And I thought this wig was ear to ear lace. Even when I cut it, I didn't realize it wasn't ear to ear lace. So I'm like, oh my god, that's my only issue with wig. I wish it was ear to ear lace, and I wish it was like further back. So it's only got lace in the parting space. So in the parting space, you do get a 13-inch back, and for width it's 5 inches. But I wish that length was all the way across, so you could do something with this unit. See right there, I'm just showing you right there. So you do get some combs in the front and one in the nape area, and you can adjust the straps to be tight, and if you want to, if you have a smaller head. This wig fit my head perfectly. It was quite snug, so it did. I think because my hair isn't twisted, that's why it felt kind of snug. But it still is kind of tight fitting on my head. But look at this loose wave. It's so pretty. And I'm just showing you, 360 turn. So I did brush out the waves, and it still looked so flawless. Like, this unit is so pretty. So I did notice right offhand when I did put it on my head, it did give me like a cone head effect. So if you have an issue with a unit, you just get your wax stick, you put it down first, and then you use your curling wand to press down the hair so it can be more flat at the top. I did use my foaming mousse also to help with that too. So I put some in my hand and put it throughout the hair at the top of my unit. I did put a little swoop in the front, since you can't put a whole lot of baby hair in a type of unit like this. You can only do one swoop, so that's what I did. It did come with some baby hair around there, but I didn't use those. I just brushed those inside the wig and just used the one that was in the front. So that's what I did. And this is really a beginner friendly unit, so just pop on your head and just go out the door, honestly. But anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.